2020 was a hell of a year. If only I could remember it all. Sup, dude? Who are you? I'm the ghost of Hindsight 2020. Last year was packed full of so much bullshit. So much that it was a smear, a blur. But with hindsight, 2020 became so much more clear. Either I had one too many drinks last night, or I saw a ghost. He was a really good-looking dude. He reminded me that 2020 was full of crap, but there was some good moments too, like these. A new study from a group of dumbasses showing that drinking may not be good for you, but it still makes you feel good. Grab your history books, bitches. You're in the class of Sir Ricky Bobby. Son of a Rick got some bad news today. I'm going to introduce him to my bro, St. Patrick, so he can cheer him up. Today, we're going to do a special shot. I know it's not Vegas, but it's a shamrock. Now we have hipsters too. I mean, what the hell is the difference between the E's and the stirs? Nothing. Neither can mix a decent cocktail. Thank God I'm here. It's about time we brought this love triangle to a satisfying completion. I am Sir Ricky Bobby, and this one's a panty dropper. You're going to have a good show today. You know why? Because Roe's going to edit the shit out of this. Sorry, I couldn't help that. No. And to the late, great John Belushi. Today's words of wisdom, or should I say word of wisdom, is tolerance. Remember last week when I told you there was going to be a big surprise? Well, it's time. We built a bar. Merry Christmas, guys. Wish you could all be here by my bar.
Does this look familiar? Does this remind you of someone you know? If any of this looks even remotely like you do on any given Tuesday, call our crisis support line at 555-555-5557. Remember, help is just a call away, plus $12.97 a month.
Today's word of wisdom is proficiency. To be proficient in something is to know both copious amounts of said something and be able to do something about it. Here's to you, 2020. Now get the hell out of my bar. Now let's ring in the new year with a cocktail called Set the New Year on Fire. Half ounce of simple syrup. 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. 2 ounces of scotch. But first, we have to have ourselves a shot. "2021 is going to be a brighter year." Float some Campari on top. Remember that lime half we saved? Stuff it with a sugar cube. Douse it with 151. Then set the new year on fire. Set the new year on fire. Happy New Year, folks. Today I would like to share with you my New Year's resolution. Last year I decided I would spend more time with people. You know, get really close to them, but I never got any closer than 6 feet. This year I chose to do something a little less shakeable, something the universe can't interfere with. In 2021, I'm going to learn how to forget, because I've got a lot of baggage with tags labeled 2020. To help me do this, I'm going to learn how to mix a proverbial cocktail, a metaphorical cocktail, a cocktail that is mixed through the making and drinking of many other cocktails. I'm going to call this drink rose-colored glasses, because all I want to remember is the good moments, like these.
To boldly mix what no man has mixed before.
Today's word of wisdom is rub. Rub means to gently brush against something. Hopefully said object approves. But when someone says, "Okay, here's the rub," they're about to let you in on a secret. I could tell you where I got all of this, but instead, I'm just going to quietly rub it in. So our drinks will be dedicated to cocktails that will be a foreplay for your sexy moments that should climax with an explosion of joy. This week, we will mix between the sheets. Well, that would have been stupid.
That would have been egregious. Instead, let's take a shot of Japanese Suntory whiskey. Toki.
Indeed.
Forsooth.
You disrespect me on my granddaughter's birthday. So I'm gonna ask you to do me a favor. I want you to make me a cocktail he can't refuse.
Chocolate milk is easy. Here it is. Step 1, get milk. Step 2, got milk. Step 3, pour milk in a glass. Step 4, pour the milk out of a glass. Mix a real drink. Now let's get on to the victory shot.